One creator earns $200 every 1,000 views. Another creator gets $1 for the same 1,000 views. Same platform, same algorithm, wildly different paychecks. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly why that gap exists and how to land on the right side of it. So let us start with the basics. YouTube compensates creators through its partner program, but you cannot just upload a video and start collecting checks. There is a barrier to entry. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time before the platform even considers monetizing your content. Once you qualify, YouTube runs ads before, during, and after your videos, and you receive a percentage of that advertising revenue. Now here's the number everyone wants to know. On average, creators are earning somewhere between $1 and $30 per 1,000 views. The typical range most people actually experience falls between $5 and $10. The overall average hovers around $15, but that number is heavily skewed by the top earners. So what separates the $1 creators from the $30 creators? One word: niche. The topic you build your channel around is the single biggest factor determining your paycheck. Think about it from the advertiser's perspective. A company selling financial software will pay significantly more to reach someone watching an investing tutorial than someone watching a prank compilation. That is why channels covering finance, technology, investing, health, insurance, real estate, legal topics, and marketing consistently command the highest rates. Entertainment, gaming, and prank channels sit at the bottom of the pay scale, often struggling to crack $3 per 1,000 views. Here is where things get tactical. If your videos run longer than 8 minutes, you unlock the ability to insert multiple ad breaks throughout the content. Instead of earning from a single ad placement, you could have 4 or 5 ads running in one video. Head into YouTube Studio, select your video, open the monetization tab, and manage your mid-roll placements. This alone can double or triple your earnings per view. But I need to give you an important warning. Do not stretch a 3-minute idea into a 12-minute video just to squeeze in more ads. Viewers will leave, your retention will tank, and the algorithm will punish you. The content has to justify the length. Let me paint a picture with real numbers. Imagine a horror content channel pulling 6 million views per month at roughly $3 per 1,000 views. That channel earns around $18,000 monthly. Now picture a finance channel with only 2 million monthly views, but earning $20 per 1,000. That smaller channel is pulling in $40,000 a month, more than double, with a third of the views. Niche selection literally outweighs raw view count. You also need to understand the difference between CPM and RPM. CPM is what advertisers pay YouTube. RPM is what actually lands in your pocket after YouTube takes their cut. RPM is the number that matters to you. But here is the real secret the top creators understand. Ad revenue is just the starting point. The channels earning $200 or more per 1,000 views are not doing it through ads alone. They are selling digital products, courses, templates, and services to their audience. When you layer products on top of ad revenue, every single view becomes exponentially more valuable. So if you are serious about maximizing your YouTube income, focus on 3 things. Pick a niche where advertisers spend big. Create longer content that genuinely earns its runtime. And build products your audience actually wants to buy. The creators making real money on YouTube are not just making videos. They are building businesses.